One boat, same place, but completely different images, completely different way of seeing the exact same subject, simply by just changing how I frame the shot. Start with a wide shot, it gives context. You can see that it's a boat at the harbour, see the other boats, gives the mood of the scene, if you like. It's a perfectly great shot. It's almost documentary style. It's telling you all that's going on with a good record of the boat itself. Now I shift to the front of the boat, crop in tight, change the vision of the shot. Now I'm dealing with symmetry, shapes, leading lines, triangles. It's all about shape. Very completely different, and yet it's the exact same subject. As photographers, we're constantly editing one thing. We're editing what subject to photograph, and then when we're with that subject, how do we approach that subject? Often we get a chance to photograph it in both styles, which is fantastic, which I've done here, and got another shot as well on the side again, just using these incredibly strong shapes. Different subjects offer such different approaches in photography, and as I say, you can photograph both styles. None of these shots are right or wrong. Each one says something different. The wide one is more observational, the side on or the front on, the symmetry, the one that's cropped in there, just these incredibly strong, powerful, graphic shapes. So the next time you're out and about getting some shots, pause and ask yourself, am I wanting to show everything? Or indeed, am I looking for shapes? Am I looking for photographs in the detail of all these different subject matters? Because sometimes the photographs get stronger and stronger when you leave more and more and more things out of the scene, get powerful, dynamic shape images. Question is, which one do you choose? Which one do you want to go for? Of course, it's fun to come back with both as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.